Hey guys, I guess we'll start the whole video extravaganza. We'll start it with the Uniden BC-60xlt. Scanner works. It's been, I don't know, it's permanently mounted on this piece of marble or what, but it looks like it's been kind of glued on here. So I don't know how this is going to work. Not exactly sure. But let's see if we can't figure out how to maybe remove this base. Let's see what's down there. Just plastic. Okay. So the scanner's been glued to the top of this. Lovely. Well, let's see if we can't pry it loose. Maybe. Is she gonna go back? Is she gonna go snack crackle cop, I wonder, or what? Oh, jeez, what did they put on that? Holy moly. Do you see that? Holy Moses. Anybody want a piece of marble? Now, let's see if we get this part open now. I'm going to break this glue that's still here. Holy cows. What's this cover glued on or what? Holy crap. Gee, it's all glued together. Jesus. Holy crap, it's going to fall apart, that's for sure. Now, what do we got hiding in here now? What in the Lord? Well, we got a gaping hole here. I guess that's where this used to live. Anyway, let's keep digging here. And that one's too big. Do-do-do. I can only imagine what we're going to find inside this. Alright, let's see. Now, this ain't like the old scanners. This should be able to pop off. Keyword should. There we go. Snap, crackle, pop, Rice Krispies. Alright. So that is the guts of the scanner. So, yeah, looks like the original power jack was removed from the board, and that was just tacked on there. Lovely. Oop, found. Hey guys, so this is the plan. I had the little SMT resistor right here, and that is going to be soldered into this position here below pin 1 on the CPU here, processor, between this pad and this solder pad, between two of these. So we're going to take that, we're going to move it to there, and we'll put the scanner here back together and we'll give her a try. But I believe this one here should give you the 80 channels, extra 50 channels, and this right here, these two, will give you 66 to 88 megahertz, which we're not interested in. But these two here, jump these two, and we should have 80 channels. So anyway, let's get this little SMT put in there and see what happens. Alright, I'm going to be soldering this with an actual soldering iron, so man, I swear to God, my eyesight's getting worse. So first I'm going to build up the solder. Yeah, looks like we got her, boys. Alright, so the resistor is in there. A little bit long, but it's in there. So I'm going to reassemble the scanner here now and see what happens. Well, I had the scanner apart. I went ahead and cleaned the front panel of this thing too, as it was quite filthy. Kind of hinges on there like that. Drop her in. Of course, that side didn't stay in there. That'd be too easy. Come on, get in there. There we go. Yeah, she's in there. Yeah, that's all my extra SMT that I took off some boards. It actually came in use. Put it to use for a change. Alright. Put this part back together. I don't exactly remember where this came from. Oh yeah, must have came off this. Yeah, it did. That kind of slides in. This modification that was done for power. Okay. Turn the light on, I guess. I don't know if you can see that. So now we'll just step up and see how many channels we've got going on here. So 30, I suppose, there you go, 31, there we go. 70, 80, back to 1. There we go. That's how you convert the BC-160 or the BC-60xlt to 80 channels. Let's see. Make sure she still works. Receives. 62.4.
30 p.m. Newfoundland Daylight Time. Partly cloudy. Temperature -3 degrees Celsius.
There you go. Alright. Hopefully the video is of use to you. I took a picture and I'll put the picture up showing you where to put the SMT resistor. Anyway folks, all the best. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next video. 2 more scanners coming up. All the best, boys. Thanks for watching.